Chef, thank you for inviting us to Issaya Cooking School here in Bangkok. What were you going to be cooking for us?
The stir-fry shrimp with the shrimp paste and bitter bean.
The bitter bean.
Yeah. Started?
That's great. Yes, let's get going. So that's a dish from southern Thailand. Can you tell me a little bit about what makes it southern?
The bitter bean is a seasonal vegetable. They come with only this month. I mean, this month is February and the March.
So only 2 months of the year, February and March?
March and April a little bit, like 3 months.
Yes.
Yeah. And then they use a lot of shrimp paste.
And you said the shrimp paste is different in the south?
Yeah. This one is a little bit more sweet more than in the middle.
Sweeter?
Sweeter.
But it's also chunkier,
yeah.
Right?
And we put oil.
And Chef, what's the difference between regular garlic and shallots and the Thai garlic and shallots?
The Thai shallot is sweeter,
Sweeter?
and then stronger.
More onion?
More than onion,
yeah.
yes. And then also with the garlic, Thai garlic also.
And you have to always use them together?
Mix together better. Because if you use only garlic, it's going to be strong.
That's a hefty amount. Which oil are you using?
Vegetable oil.
Regular vegetable oil?
Vegetable oil, regular oil. And we cook until smell or a little bit.
So smell, what are you looking for in the smell?
Yeah. And then add shrimp.
And this is lunch, dinner, breakfast?
Both.
Both? All
you can use
three?
all, eat all day and add the bitter, a little bit water.
So really in Thai cuisine, there are no specific dishes for either breakfast or lunch or dinner, right? You can eat the same thing every day?
Depends you want to eat.
Oh. How spicy is this one?
This one not too much spicy because they call long chili. Just get the...
For foreigners. Yeah.
And then season with the
Oyster
sauce. Because southern, they have the culture from China a little bit.
So that's an influence of Chinese cuisine, the use of oyster sauce?
And then
regular sugar. Yes. Why would you use here the regular sugar, not the palm sugar?
Because we want sweeten it more than another dish.
Like sweeter?
Not cook too much because shrimp gonna be too overcooked. Yeah.
Okay. So that's a very, very quick cooking. Are you gonna kill me? How spicy is this one?
Not spicy, this one. Add sugar.
More sugar?
More sugar. And then more stock.
The water from the beans?
Yeah.
How long did you soak the beans for?
Hour.
Oh, just an hour. You cut them in half and just let them.
That's it.
That's it?
Done.
And how would you eat it? Just like that?
With rice.
Rice?
With rice. And curry rice or everything.
Everything with rice. Okay. Steamed rice?
Steamed rice, yeah. Jasmine rice. This is really famous from South.
Very popular?
Really fun. Okay.
So will this be like a street food, a regular food, or?
Regular food.
Regular food?
Yeah. This one.
That's beautiful.
And you're gonna taste?
Yes, I have to. It smells so good, I cannot not taste it.
Be careful, it's hot.
Hot temperature or hot spicy?
Hot temperature, it's not hot spicy. Okay. How's it? Salty. If you eat with the rice, the jasmine rice, like steamed rice, be perfect.
And the saltiness comes from the shrimp
From
paste?
the shrimp, yes.
Because we didn't add any salt here. This is really good.
This is all
first,
natural.
first it's sweet.
Yeah.
and then it's spicy. And the beans, it's almost like a fava beans texture.
Yeah. That's it.
Have a nice crunch to them. Well, I love that. That I can do a lot.
Not spicy, right?
No.
You see.
No, I'm not tearing yet. No, that's a good one. That's awesome. Yeah. Wow. Thank you, chef. This is
ขอบ
great.
คุณค่ะ
Kapun ka.